Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the dreaded critical process died error on Windows 10 or 11. Let's get started. Turn off your PC completely. Turn it back on, and as soon as Windows starts loading, hold the power button to force shutdown. Do this 2 to 3 times until you see automatic repair. Then go to Advanced Options. Troubleshoot, Advanced Options. Startup Settings. Restart. Once you're in Windows, press Windows plus R, type CMD, and run Command Prompt as administrator. Now type SFC/scan now and press Enter. This will scan and repair corrupted system files. If SFC didn't fix it, run the DISM tool. In the same Command Prompt window, type the following prompts one by one and hit Enter after each. Now let's check your hard drive. Open Command Prompt as admin again and type chkdsk/f/r. Press Enter, type Y, then restart your PC. This will scan and repair disk errors. If the error still comes back, you can roll Windows back to a working state. Go to Control Panel, Recovery, Open System Restore. Pick a restore point before the problem started and follow the prompts. And there you have it if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.